Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix any problems you might be having in Deepseek if it is not working for you. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to go ahead and want to open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com if you're not already. Once you open it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started. So to be able to use Deepseek, you're going to need an account. To create an account, just click the Start Now button right here. That's going to appear. So click on Start Now. That's going to open up this new page where registration process is going to be started if you do not already have an account. And if you have an account, just go ahead and log into your account. And after doing so successful, you'll be greeted by this chat option right here where we can get started with using Deepseek. Now, guys, you might be encountering any kind of problems. Maybe the website won't open. Maybe you can't send messages right here, you're not getting answers, and so on. Basically guys, it all revolves around a couple of things. As you can see right here in this article, we have an option on how we can get started with managing our Deepseek if it is not working, and how we can fix any problems we might be having. So basically guys, there are a couple of options that you can just do to go ahead and try it out. Generally, basically it all revolves around checking your internet connection and your cache and cookies. So what you can do guys is go ahead and clear your cache and cookies to make sure that everything is running correctly, so then you can open up deepseek.com again and try it for yourself. If not, you can want to check out your internet connection to make sure it is working. Basically guys, a lot of the times it's just the problem within the server itself. So if you're not getting correct answers, try again in a couple of hours. Probably the server is going to fix itself. If not, then make sure your internet connection is good and you have cleared the cache from your computer and you open up the website again. Basically just try to restart it and take a look again if it's going to work, and that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.